everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I am Gabby and today I have for you an abs and booty workout. Everybody searches it. So today I'm going to give you an equipment free abs and booty workout. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out any time I upload a new video, and also follow my Instagram at TaylorToned. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and I'll pop the name of the exercise at the bottom. First of all, you're going to bring yourself into a bridge position, laying yourself down towards the floor. You're going to bring your heels underneath your knees, hands go around the waistline, press them into the floor. Now you're going to lift your hips up and away from the floor. So I just want you to hold here for a little second. This is your bridge. Now your shoulder blades are firmly imprinted into the floor. Your tailbone is tucked under and you're holding stillness here. Now squeeze the glutes together, your butt together as tight as you possibly can. Squeeze together. Now the right foot is going to stay on the floor and the left knee is going to come in towards the chest. You might want to shuffle this right foot a little bit into the center line of the body and stay there. Left knee to the chest. You're going to press all the way out and then squeeze it back in again. Keep going. You're going to press all the way out and then squeeze back in again. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing, exhale away. So as you draw the leg away and in, the hips are the same level off the floor. So one glute is not dipping down, both glutes are the same level. It will start to get intense around about now, but you've got this. Drawing the knee in, pressing all the way away. Keep going, draw that knee in, press all the way out. You've got 3 of these to go. Squeezing in, pushing all the way out. You've got it, 2 more here, squeezing in, pressing all the way out. Just 1 more. You're going to bring the knee in, press all the way out. Now draw the knee back in towards the chest. Hug it nice and tight. I know. Both the glutes are the same level off the floor. Squeeze them together. Inhale in. Exhale away. Now comes the full range. You're going to tap the hips all the way down. Tap the floor. Press all the way up. Wherever you are on your mat, your carpet, wherever you are, tap the hips down. Squeeze them back up and lift. Now as you press both your hips up to the ceiling, pull the glutes together, pull your butt together as tight as you can. You will get a deeper workout, you'll get a deeper burn, but that means better results. It means a perkier, rounder butt. Keep going, 3 more of these to go. Squeeze up and lift. You've got 2 more here. You can do this all the way down and squeeze those hips up. Don't give in yet. All the way down. Now press, lift and hold the hips. Now dig the underneath heel into the floor, take the toes off. This is an advancement. If you want to modify, get those toes right down. Inhale in, exhale, push the hips higher. Now you can either stay here or reach one hand up, reach your other hand up and hold. Your shoulders are pressed into the floor, do not drop your hips. I know it's a burner. Now little tiny, pulls up with the hips. Lift, poof, lift, and lift. And lift. You've got it. Squeezing those hips nice and high. Just give me 10, 9, 8, 7. You've got to push those hips higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower the feet down. Now interlace the fingertips and you're going to send them behind the head. Just grab towards the bottom of the skull, just above the neck. Now you're going to come into a crunch. Inhale. Exhale, chin towards your chest, roll up, eye line goes to your thighs, lift head, neck, shoulders off the floor, and bring it back down again. Keep going, inhale, exhale, chin to chest, lift all the way up, squeeze and hold, and back down towards the floor. So now you've done one side of your booty. You're going to do your abs, squeeze, and then lower back down, inhale, exhale, chin towards your chest, lift up, squeeze, eye line comes towards your thighs. Imagine you have an orange in between your chin and your chest. You're holding it nice and tight. 2 more of these to go. Chin to the chest. Up, lift and hold. 1 more. Slowly gonna go chin to chest and then squeeze, lift. Now I want to hold here. Your eye line comes towards your thighs. Your head, neck, shoulders are as far away from the floor as you can. Now comes the tough bit. You're gonna go up and hold. Up, squeeze, hold. You've got a little isometric hold at the top. That is how you're going to get those muscles on fire. When you go a little up, squeeze, hold, you've got it. If you don't know what I'm doing, you're bringing the eye line forwards, lifting the head, neck, shoulders 1 inch up and away. You've got it. 3 more of these to go. Whew, 2 more. Woo. One more. Now lift up, hold and squeeze. If you can, release one hand, release the other hand, don't give in. Chin to the chest, or your shoulder blades off the floor. Inhale here, exhale, 1 inch higher, hold. Now press the palms down, lift the hands high. You're gonna go for a little cardio burst with those arms. Change, 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 change. You want your arms on the diagonal. You want your head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Cardio sprint, you've got it. Just give me 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep going, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. Draw the knees to the chest. Rock back, rock up forwards. From here, the feet, they stay on the floor. Your fingertips come towards your heels. This is so important. Do not do this. You want your fingertips towards your heels. Now you're gonna press, lift the hips up. The eyes come on a diagonal, so your head's not up here. Your head's not down here. Your eye line's on the diagonal. Now lift the hips, squeeze the glutes together. You've got it. Inhale. On the exhale, press those hips even higher. You can do it. Now from here, you're gonna take little tiny lifts up with the hips. Little lift, little lift. Now this is a great one for not only working your glutes, working your abs, but you'll also feel a burn through your shoulders, through your upper body. That's completely normal. Now double check, are your knees in line with your toes? So you don't want to bring your knees together like that. You want to make sure your knees are tracking over the top of the toes and you've got your knees in line with the hips. Lift, squeeze, pull the glutes together, up, up. Eye line is on the diagonal, squeeze the glutes together. You've got it. You have 10, 9, 8, 7. Other side of your bridge coming up in 6, in 5, in 4 more. Press with the hips. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself down. I'm going to swivel my body round, but you don't have to. You just need to change up legs. So now you want to lower yourself down towards the floor. Bring the palms, press them around your hips. You've got this. Now from here, the feet are down to the floor, knees in line with the hips. You're going to tuck, tuck, tuck that tailbone under. Lift the hips up. Hold there. Squeeze the glutes together. Now you're going to bring the right leg now into the chest. So as long as you've got that opposite leg than you just did, it's fine. Squeeze the leg away. Draw the knee into the chest. All the way out. Press, lengthen, squeezing it in. So as you lengthen this right leg, the left leg and the left glute do not move. Double check. A lot of people will keep their glutes, their butt on the mat. Lift it up and away from the mat or the carpet. Squeeze the butt together as tight as you possibly can. My knees clicking. It's early in the morning for me right now. Squeeze that leg out and bringing it back in. Pull the glutes together. Are they the same level? Is your butt the same level off the floor? If this right hip is dipping, pick it up. I know that. All the way out. Bringing it back in. Keep going. All the way out. And in again. We've got 3. Pressing out. Squeezing in. You've got it. 2 more. Pressing out. Squeeze it in. 1 more. Don't give in. I know you want to. Now bring the knee into the chest. You're going to lower the hips down, tap the hips, and then press them back to the ceiling up. Lower the hips down, tap them, and squeeze all the way, press and lift. I know I am burning as well, but we are going to get that round, toned butt. It's going to be so round and perky. Everyone's going to be jealous. Squeeze those hips up to the ceiling, lift. Are you shaking and burning yet? If you are, you're making a change, so don't let go of that shake and burn. 3 more, all the way up. 2 more down, all the way up, lift. 1 more, down. Now you're gonna lift, hover the hips off the floor. You've got this. If you want it more harder, dig that underneath heeling, take the toes off. Press the glutes up to the ceiling, press the hips up to the ceiling and hold. Option here, if you're feeling advanced today, advanced even, bring 1 hand, bring second hand up now, little tiny lift, lift. Oh my gosh, go up, squeeze those hips nice and high, lift, go squeeze, pull the glutes together, you've got it, up, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sometimes I hate myself. Bring the feet down to the floor, interlace the fingertips, bring them behind the head, back into that crunch. Feet are in line with your hips, knees are in line with your hips. Squeeze, chin to chest, up, lift. Down towards the floor. Remember, you've got that orange. Maybe you've got a golf ball. Maybe you've got a lemon. all the way back down to the floor, wherever you want it, between your chin and your chest. Just hold it nice and tight. Don't let it roll away. All the way down. Inhale. Exhale, chin to the chest, eye line to the thighs, and drop. So many people will keep the eye line to the ceiling. I don't want you to do that today. I want you to bring your eye line towards just where your knees and your thighs are. Keep going. 3 more. You've got it. Whew. 2 more of these. Get the shoulder blades off the floor and back down. 1 more. You're going to press up and hold here. Elbows are forwards, shoulder blades are off the floor. Now you're going to go little lift up, hold, little up, squeeze, hold. So you should feel it into your abdominals. Little up, squeeze, hold. Keep going, up, squeeze, hold. Holly on fire. Mine definitely are. Little up. So you go into your highest point, highest range of movement. From there, pulse it forward. Keep going. 3 more of these. 2 more of these. Last one, you're going to lift up and hold. Reach the hands forwards. The hands are on a diagonal. Now you're going to start to go cardio burst. Cross the hands. Keep going. Change, change. So those arms are on a diagonal here. Chin to chest. Do not let your shoulders creep to the floor. If they're going down, you go up. Get the results you want today. Just give it 8, 7, 6. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're not done yet. Draw the knees in. Last thing, rock back, rock forwards. Fingertips come towards your heels. Press the feet down to the floor. Lift the hips up and away. Now double check, are your knees over the top of your ankles? So you've got a box position through the body. Eye line and diagonal, lift up. We're gonna lift, 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 lift. So, knees over the top of your middle toe here. Knees are fire in line with the hips. Don't let the knees cave in. If you've got inner knee pain at this point, you just need to correct and imagine your body, the 2 sides of your body are on train tracks here. So your ankles, your knees, your hips are on a train track. Little up, little up, little up. Now can you squeeze those glutes tighter together? Every time you squeeze those glutes, say goodbye butt fat, hello perky bud, bum, lift, lift. Squeeze and up, go up, go up. Squeeze those glutes together. I'm going to burn you out to finish here. Can you get those hips a little bit higher? Head on the diagonal. If the neck is starting to ache, bring the eye line down just a little bit. Go squeeze, go squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more pulses. 5, squeeze glutes together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. Give yourself a little shoulder roll. Give yourself a little arm roll. And then we're going to come in towards a glute stretch today. So I want you to go into a figure 4. You're going to bring this right foot over the top of the left knee. Now draw the heel in and you're going to press this right knee to the side. And the stretch should come on the outside of the glute, down the outside of the thigh. And hold. Well done. And then switch it up other side. Bring the other foot over the top of the knee. Draw the knee in. Press that outside leg to the side. That feels really great after all that work. And then from here, if you want another hamstring and glute stretch, you're going to bring both the feet out in front of yourself. Reach the hands nice and high. Don't worry about how far you get. Just reach your fingertips slowly, slowly, all the way down to the toes. And you should feel this behind the back of the legs, in towards your butt. Just hold, let the head fall down. Inhale, exhale. And slowly roll yourself up to big spine. Well done in your booty and ab workout today. Let me know how you found it and drop me a comment down below in the comment section. I really love this one today. I hope you did too. Give us a thumbs up right now if you've enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you again soon. Bye!